Yes, very good morning to all of you. Yeah, good morning, very good morning. So today I will be taking your English text class. You can see English text class I will take, and from the Marigold book. So all of you open your Marigold book and the first chapter, that is first day at school. First chapter, first day at school. First day at school. First day at school. Yes, all of you, very good morning. Whoever is not able to see, please cut the call and then rejoin. Here from our side, here it is no problem. Yes, very good morning. So this is first day at school. You can see this is a very small poem of about 4 paras. Okay, of about 4 paras, and let's see what this poem is all about. Okay. So, let me tell you that this is the poem, the lines of the poem is the feeling of a child who is first going to the school and who is for the first time is entering to a school room. Okay. So, here you can see this is a feeling of this child. We can see also here in this picture, this is the feeling of this child who is for the first time is going to school. Okay, and let's read what is the child thinking. First day at school. All of you open page number 1 of your Marigold book. Okay. I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. Here the child is thinking that his drawing will be as good as his friends, the other students. So here theirs means his friends, his classmates or his fellow students. Okay. I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. Now come to the next para. I wonder if they will like me. Here you can see they will. This is a short form of they will. The actual they will. This is. Okay. So we will pronunciate like this. They will like me or just be full of stares. So the child is thinking that he will like other students, his other friends will like him, or they will just look at the child like a stranger. Here the meaning of stares is looking at the child as a stranger, like he is a stranger, this kind of a looking. Okay. So I wonder if they will like me or just be full of stares. Okay, now come to the third para. All of you, please switch off your cameras. Poonam Chatterjee, please switch off your camera. Yeah. Now come to the third para. I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or gran. Here again the child is thinking about his teacher, that his teacher will look like his mom or gran. Here mom, the full form of mom we all know, isn't it? Mom is mother. And gran means grandmother, right? Right? Yeah. So the child is thinking that his teacher will look like his mom or gran, means mother or grandmother. Okay. Yes, Obirup, you can write this in your copy. Yes, you can write this in your copy. That will be better. Okay. All of you, not only Obirup, all of you can write these in your copy. That will be better. Now come to the fourth para. I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. So by these lines we can see that, we can also understand that the child has a puppy at his home, right? And the child is thinking that the puppy may miss him whenever he is coming to school, or his puppy will think that where the child has gone, right? So the child is thinking that his puppy may miss him, and also his puppy is thinking that where the child has gone. So these are the things the child is thinking. Okay, so let's read the whole poem again. I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. I wonder if they will like me or just be full of stares. I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or gran. I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. Okay, this is a very short and a very nice poem. So, and the writer of this poem is Eileen Fisher. Okay, keep this name in mind. Eileen Fisher. Eileen Fisher. Okay. Keep this name in your mind. This is, you have to keep in mind. Okay, so all of you understood about the chapter. What is the poem all about? All of you have understood now? All of you have understood that what is the poem is all about? Now all of you take out your copy and write some spellings from here. I will write the spellings and you will copy in your copy. First one, that is wonder. Wonder. First one is wonder. Number 2, that is drawing. Drawing. Number 3, that is stairs. Stairs. Number 4, teacher. Number 4 is teacher. Number 5, puppy. Okay, so these 5 spellings you will practice. First one, wonder, W-O-N-D-E-R. Second one, drawing, D-R-A-W-I-N-G. Third one, stairs, S-T-A-R-E-S, stairs. Fourth one, teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R. And the fifth one, puppy, P-U-P-P-Y. These 5 spellings you will practice. Okay, so by this way the reading of this poem is completed, and the exercise part I will do in your next classes. Okay, so from up to then all of you read the poem very well and also practice these spellings also very well. Okay, now all of you please give your present. Okay, you have written good. Vikrant, wonder, drawing, stairs, teacher, puppy. Okay, fine. Please all of you now give your present. No one will leave until I finish taking present, okay, or you will be absent. Aniket, Anushka, Ghosh, Ayush Mullik, Devdip, Shivandash, Nazuddin, Mulla, Poonam Chatterjee, Priyanshi, Rishabh, Shivanita, Sritama. Okay, students. Yes, Shivanita. I have taken all of your present. So all of you understood about the chapter? Let me know. And all of you written those spellings in your copy? Yes, Ritoma, I have taken your present. All of you written these spellings in your copy and understood about the chapter? Okay? Okay, fine. And the exercises I will start from your next class. Okay? So today is up to this. Okay, good. Okay. So today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you. Bye.